ఇంక్లాబ్ టీవీ ప్రైమ్ టైమ్ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. రాజన్న సిరిసిల్ల ఎల్లారెడ్డిపేటలో శుక్రవారం ఉదయం శ్రీ చైతన్య పాఠశాల విద్యార్థులు ర్యాలీ నిర్వహించి ట్రాఫిక్ నిబంధనల గురించి ప్రజలకు వివరించారు. హెల్మెట్ ధరించాలని, సిగ్నల్స్ వద్ద సరిగ్గా చూసుకుని వెళ్లాలని, అతివేగంతో వెళ్లి ప్రాణాలు కోల్పోవద్దని, మద్యం సేవించి వాహనాలు నడపరాదని విద్యార్థులు సూచనలు చేశారు.
Everyone here we are here with a positive mood to bring awareness about the traffic rules. Around approximately 1 lakh more than accidental in traffic rules. It forms a basic police department, not only the government but also it forms. To speak upon this, I would like to invite the kids of our Chaitanya to come forward and give their speech.
Good morning to everyone present here. 9th class student last year. I am Mahita. I am Ashwini. Today we are standing before you to deliver a speech about road safety. Let me first share a fact which we all must not be aware of. As per reports in 2022, India reported 151,000 fatalities and casualties injuries to around 5 lakh people due to road accidents. I think the stats tell it all how vital is road safety and how we are all logging in that. Road safety refers to obeying all the rules and regulations while using the road by means walking, cycling or driving a vehicle, etc. Road safety helps us to keep ourselves safe on roads, keep us safe from injury or harm. This is the time to realize that accidents are man-made problem and people stay ignoring the road safety rules, do not obey these rules due to lots of reasons and excuses. It leads to not only injuries but also loss of our lives. On the other hand, a number of vehicles are the rise, which is also a root cause of problem. We are all using roads from our childhood. We are learning that how we should have to use roads. We are very thankful to the law enforcement and police department, doctors who are helpful in the emergency condition every year under the guidelines of Ministry of Highway and National Security Council. The Road on Safety Week is celebrated in India. And we are very thankful to the guests who attend here in the road safety program in LRD. And we are very thankful to our respected police department in LRD who took a part with us in road safety program. And I am very thankful to our school management for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Whatever the information which is delivered by the kids is exactly not having speed control, wisdom, सावधान, wisdom, पीछे चलेगा, पीछे मुड़, पीछे चलेगा, पीछे मुड़, दाने चलेगा, दाने मुड़, दाने चलेगा, दाने मुड़, बाहर चलेगा, बाहर मुड़, बाहर चलेगा, बाहर मुड़, सावधान, wisdom, सावधान, wisdom.
ఇంక్లాబ్ టీవీ వీడియోలు మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా వీడియోలు మీరు వెంటనే చూడాలనుకుంటే కింద ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ని గట్టిగా కొట్టండి.